In this video I will show the last feature we added in the new version is possibility to use MQTT Sparkplug B specification in our project. Let's open our project for these purposes we created preliminary, and let's see the settings you have to do virtual edge node. Open project properties, open cloud tab, and set up your username and password in the cloud, and set up group ID, EdgeNodeID and DeviceID. In group ID you can use Paris method and divide your topic names by using colons. You have to check Sparkplug B. In EdgeNode and DeviceID you can use keywords like project name, tag, group, and others. All the list of the possible keywords you can find in our user manual. The link you can find below this video. And let's create MQTT client by clicking button Create MQTT client. Let's enter the name and let's save. Replace in our case. And if you want to use trends and events tables and other history and events information from our cloud, click Yes. Let's open the created MQTT Sparkplug B project. In our case, it's created MQTT clients that supports Sparkplug B specifications with our username, without security because we didn't use it, and we add in the new version MQTT client subscription possibility add-in. In our case, we add only this possibility, the namespace of the Sparkplug B specification. And in our new version also possible to use advanced publish. We didn't use in our case, but it's possible to add, for example, JSON method like this one for publishing messages, and by using keywords like tag name and others. All the list of the like tag value, like time, all the messages, possible keywords messages you can find in our user manual. The link also will be below. And also in our case, it's automatically created Sparkplug B. So it's Sparkplug B enabled and host ID is entered. The MQTT client works like host application in our project now. Let's upload this project on our Android device. To do this, choose File and Load Device. We already do it, and let's open. Our project is already opened. Let's see how it works. You can find that the values are the same. So we can change from the Android side, and the history information you can also upload it. You can change the time, for example. You can add some time. You can see it's uploaded. And let's see how it works with application MQTT5X. To do, we have to set up. You can enter our broker address, and you can enter user credentials in our case. You can see on your window, and you should enter last will topic or last will message and treatment. And you can see we do it. Now let's scan. You can find that all the nodes are scanned. The nodes are repeated. The tree of our text settings in our project. It's repeated because in cloud we set up tag group. You can see topics list, you can see here, and let's subscribe Let's connect first and let's subscribe. And you can see that we've got the same values like we've got here in our project in teslascada runtime desktop version. Also, in the new version, the last thing I want to say, we added possibility to after-save. Now the project can be after-saved, and you can set up the period after saving in project set after-saved period. The project in minutes, so every 15 minutes the project will be after-saved. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to ask by email or in our